it's Chick from Trashy Tactical. You may notice the shirt I'm wearing is different than in the video you're about to see. The reason for that is the original video got removed for a community guidelines violation. So, with that being said, they removed my content. I had to do some training. It was voluntary. And I read through the community guidelines a bunch of times, saw what firearms policies are. I know there's a lot of gun tubers out there that have the same issues from time to time. They've learned through their mistakes, and I guess I'm learning now. But anyway, they never really gave me a clear-cut answer as to what violation there was. But anyway, they said it was in the intro of the video, so I'm going to go ahead and re-record this intro. So let's go ahead and check out and see what upgrade was done. Randall and Elizabeth, North Carolina, you know what's up. Thanks a lot. So let's get on with the actual upgrade. So I've already checked it, made sure everything's clear, no magazine, the chamber's empty. So let's go ahead and get this action out of the stock. And it is just that easy. It's a really nice stock that we got here. Finish getting that screw out. All the way in. Alright, I'll set this stock off to the side. Alright, so I've taken it apart a little bit here. Now, if you've seen one of these videos, you've seen 100 of them. So if you want to see how to actually take everything apart like that, I'm sure there's another video that you can find. But right now we're going to put our extended magazine release in here. Okay, and we're going to take the old one out here. So all we're going to do is we're going to push in that magazine catch and punch out this little pin right here. Once that pin is out, all we're going to do is take the old one out. We're going to slide that new one right in there. Make sure our holes line up. There it is. Slide our pin back in. And there it is. So that's it for that extended magazine release. Next, now we're going to go ahead and work on replacing this charging handle with an extended one. Now, this weapon hadn't been taken apart in quite a while, so off camera I had to pound away at this pin, but I finally got it out. So now, in order to get this out, what we need to do is get this piece out. And what'll happen is, when I pull it to the rear, the bolt here is going to pop out. There it goes. And as you can see, the charging handle wants to go as well. So all we got to do is pull that out. And there it is. There's the old one. Alright, so this is to be a little bit challenging. So we have our extended bolt right here. Is getting this piece back far enough so it catches within the bolt. Alright, so we've got that in place now. So the easiest way to do that is, when you pull it back, is to lift up on your bolt and then slide the bolt handle backwards. So got all that in place now. We can go ahead and get our pin back in. Alright, got that nice and flush. So now we can go ahead and put our trigger and everything back in here. And it's just the same thing. You go ahead and Let's slide these pins right back in place. Alright, there's one. And go from this side. And there is the other. So that is all in place. So now we've got that all back together. The new stock that we are going to use is the Magpul Hunter X22. So let's go ahead and get this mounted up. There we go. So one thing you want to make sure of when you're doing this is your safety. You want to kind of make sure it's like right in the middle so the stock can slide on there. So here we go. A little bit of finagling. There we go. And that's all there is to it. So then we can take our action screw. We can go ahead and slide that guy back in there. Again, like I said, if you don't like my video, I apologize. I'm still new to this, but there are plenty of other videos out there that will show you what you need to do. So there we go. We have everything into our new stock. And the last thing we're going to do is install our Pic Rail. Alright, so we went ahead and got our stuff mounted up. And here is our new Pic Rail that we're going to put in. So let's go ahead and empty out our screws. Get our Loctite going. Just a little bit on there. A little bit goes a long way. So then I'm going to go ahead and screw in this back one first using the provided Allen key. And we'll get it all torqued down to spec off camera before we use it. A little bit more of this Loctite here. Go ahead and put it up here in the front. Get that tightened down. So that is it. We got those. So let's go ahead and finish this bad boy. Alright, so now that we got everything put together, let's take a look. So here is everything. Our new stock, our extended magazine release. We have our extended bolt charging handle here. I have our new Pic Rail, and I threw my hollow sun on top. Now, if you haven't heard of these guys, there's a company out there called Ranger Wrap. And they make a Cordura wrap that goes on most red dots. They have them for scopes, magazines, and magnifiers, all kinds of stuff, all different colored patterns. I went with Wolf Gray to match the stock of the Magpul. I'm not sponsored by them, but from what I can see so far, it's very high quality stuff. And to me, it definitely seems worth it to help protect that optic. So, without further ado, remember, like, comment, share, subscribe, show your friends. I will put a link in the description for all the products that I had here today in the description below. And as always, remember, rack around and find out.